We are on the path to transform our company. Gestamp is a multinational company that manufactures metal components. We are located in 24 countries. We have 115 plants around the world and more than 43,000 employees. We are on the path to transform our company. DXC is helping us with the trends that they are anticipating in the automotive sector. We want to increase the robotization in our factories, working humans with robots in the future. We try to gain efficiency in our factories and run better processes and more efficient. We are moving to a data-driven decision company. DXC is complementing our IT environment, providing new technological solutions for our factories to improve our processes. We are evolving with our partnership with DXC. We are moving from robotization to artificial intelligence. We are moving from infrastructure to transition to the cloud.